The I-4 Ultimate project is nearing completion. Incredible transformations have been taking place throughout the entire 21-mile corridor. New permanent travel lanes have opened both eastbound and westbound along the entire corridor. New bridges and ramps have been built in Maitland, at Grand National Drive, and at Kirkman Road. And the centerpiece of the project, the I-4 State Road 408 interchange, has been completely redesigned with 7 new flyover ramps, making this interchange much safer and easier for drivers to navigate. Reconstructing I-4 has been needed for a long time.
Central Florida has grown over the last 50, 60 years. We have a lot more traffic than we did back when it was originally built. So we need the capacity, but we also wanted to improve the design.
I-4 is a critical facility running through the heart of Central Florida, and it's really important and strategic in that it not only provides a route for commuters to get to and from work, but it also moves a significant amount of freight through Central Florida. It's very important to the economy.
The I-4 Ultimate project, when complete, will offer drivers choices when it comes to their transportation needs. Dynamically tolled lanes, 2 in each direction, will allow drivers who choose to use these lanes to more easily get through congestion, or they can choose to stay on the free general use lanes.
So the future of transportation is really all about choices. The more choices that we can give every single individual, the better opportunities there will be for efficiency and safety.
From the attractions area to Longwood, construction on the I-4 Ultimate project will continue to reach major milestones as it nears completion, building new ramps, reconstructing more interchanges, and shifting more lanes into their final footprint. As always, when driving through the construction zone, don't be distracted by cell phone calls or texting. Paying attention, obeying the posted speed limits, and driving safely not only helps reduce traffic incidents, it also helps reduce congestion and keeps workers safe in the construction zones. Continue to stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts and our monthly e-newsletter.